They say the simplest of meals are the hardest to get right, and today we're going to learn how to make a Christmas staple parfait. Let's talk turkey. Just the leg. Who needs the rest?
We need some help.
When in doubt, eat and drink. Chef Guy Ravet.
Hi.
Good to see you. Thank you for
see you.
having us. Now, turkey is one of those birds that you can get really, really right, but also very, very wrong.
This down is pretty big, pretty large, so they don't know how much time they have to cook it. And one thing people tend to forget is to brine it. So that's one big part. It's gonna keep the moisture, it's gonna make sure it's well seasoned. We are gonna cook actually just the leg. You don't need this 20-pound turkey that you're gonna eat for 4, 5, 6 days. So this you can just eat for one meal.
This will not fail.
Bulletproof, like you would say.
I love it. Okay, let's go. This leg would feed
Two good eaters.
2 good eaters, yes.
I would say 4 people, but you can be just 2 persons. The next day you do a nice sandwich.
Always about leftovers, right?
Exactly.
Can you buy just the leg?
You can buy just the leg.
There we go. Just the leg. Who needs the rest?
So the idea is to get really the color. And then we're gonna deglaze it with some white wine.
Right, so then we're going to go to the second stage.
We're gonna prepare the glaze. So it's a honey and soy glazed. A glaze is really personal. That's my
how
recipe.
much you want in it.
You can put a bit more soy sauce, you can put a bit more honey, you can put paprika powder.
See, I love spice, and I love foods that bite back, takes your mouth and punch you around.
So you see we have a nice glaze.
It's slightly shiny, so it's got,
Exactly.
so you know it's going to stick. The glaze is done. Now we move on to slightly sweeter special things, right?
Exactly.
Right, so I've got to do some work now.
You're gonna have to work. So we're gonna make a clementine and chestnut trifle.
Those anglophones would know it as trifle, but it's a trifle to split words, so we'll just call it a trifle. It all goes down the same way, basically, so you just enjoy it. This is what we call nouveau trifle.
Let's start.
See, my trifle memory goes back to childhood. Grand-mère and ma mère, always at Christmas is the trifle.
You need some help.
I'm getting there.
My wife asked me what is a trifle. I say it's kind of the English version of tiramisu.
I think if we were in service today, we would have missed the service.
And the trifle, what I've seen today, we're making really a family trifle, so we won't put any alcohol in it.
This is
But I've seen that
G-rated. My mother's probably going, what the heck is going on?
Like 2 centimeters thick, approximately.
But your trifle has that ability to be adapted because there's no hard and fast rule.
Exactly. You should put that down, and then you can work with both hands.
Of course! If only life was that simple. Use one hand.
All the way to the top.
All the way to the top. I'm going all the way.
I hope my friends will be happy when they see it.
Beautiful. And so that goes in the fridge.
That goes in the fridge for a few hours.
Yep. It may not last that long with us. But
I don't think so.
this is looking fantastic.
It's beautiful turkey.
Sizzling, golden brown.
In Disney World, one of the biggest snack, the best snack you can have is those turkey legs.
Yeah,
they are roasted, they are smoked, and you can just grab them and eat them in the park
while you're on a roller coaster.
Exactly, American style.
We're in the Morges region, and so I thought it was a good idea to have a Morges wine. Actually, a wine that's only made in Morges, which is the Pinot Noir Sauvignon, 600-year anniversary since the vines arrived in Morges. Pinot Noir, but not as we know it. Lots of fruit, lots of bit of black pepper there, but spice.
Bon appetit.
Merci.
Nice flavors. And you can tell, the brine.
Oh, it's just so rich in flavor.
It's almost like citrus. There's no citrus in there, but it almost tastes like citrus.
Bright and fresh.
Cheers.
Cheers, it's been fantastic. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Can't forget dessert.
Exactly.
Go deep or go home.